Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You now start enrollment. Clean your finger and the sensor to avoid false reads, and make sure the phone is updated so drivers work correctly. Once done, go straight to Settings, tap Security and Privacy, then Fingerprint. You're doing this because accurate contact and current firmware reduce read failures and false negatives. Make sure permissions for biometrics are allowed. Without them, you can't register. Begin adding a fingerprint, and follow the on-screen prompts to place your fingertip on the sensor. You'll now capture the fingerprint fully. Place the pad of your finger on the sensor, then lift and adjust angle when prompted so edge and center ridges register. Rotate slightly and cover different parts of the pad. This creates a fuller template and reduces misses when your finger shifts. Register at least one alternate finger and repeat the process for 2-3 angles on the primary finger. Once each enrollment finishes, test unlocking immediately to confirm reads and repeat enrollment if you see hiccups. Finish by testing everyday actions. Lock/unlock, app logins, and payment prompts to ensure the fingerprint is accepted across scenarios. If the sensor misses often, clean the sensor and your finger, temporarily remove thick or magnetic screen protectors, and re-register the fingerprints with varied angles. This usually fixes recognition problems. Make sure you set a reliable backup PIN or pattern and enable fingerprint access for specific apps where needed. If problems continue, reboot the phone and repeat enrollment once updates have installed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.